Good evening. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. What a change we've seen over time. It used to be where students took tests by pencil and paper and teachers walked around monitoring 24/7. Today, we have students taking classes and tests online or by mobile devices. Learning and testing in a digital society. Horton indicated that learning can be done while you're traveling, while you're eating food in a restaurant, or finding time to cancel meetings or delayed appointments by using your laptop, iPad, iPhone, or other electronic device. If it's been made that simple to lose the constraints of learning, then so it has for assessment. Now, the challenges that I find for online or mobile learning is project assessment, group project assessment. And group members, they're from various geographical locations, represent different grade levels, K through 12, elementary or secondary, or higher education. And the talents range from novice, mediocre, to master of the subject, and turning in the same project for the same grade. For individual assessment, those distractions include the many tempting features on mobile devices, such as texting, gaming, and videos. There was an interesting study by Hugh Chin that indicated without proper treatment, the performance of students using those existing online learning strategies known to be effective might be disappointing or even negatively affect the students' learning achievements. Furthermore, the negative effects could be due to the heavy cognitive load caused by an improper learning design. And this leads me to say that those who are designing curriculum for distant learning, they should be careful how they're designing the lessons and the assessment to include what's going on with the learner on the other end. The studies by Evans and Shehu predict some light on group assessments. They both indicate that peer assessment is going to become a big part of the grading criteria. Now, both Evans and Shehu discuss the importance of careful monitoring and evaluation by teachers. There are different assessments that go on online. They can be traditional or authentic. Traditional, fill in the blank, completion, multiple choice, matching, essay paper, or authentic, the live performances, the demonstrations, the projects, and the portfolios. Horton 2011, he makes some valid points that we need to adapt testing to the mobile learning. So make sure that the test is working on the mobile device that the learners are going to use, and then also that their environment is conducive to where they're going to take the test. He said to include performance questions done with the real live or real world objects, devices, and environments. Have mobile learners enlist a human witness or proctor to verify the performance of assigned task, or have them video the task that's going on. Now, what I think about testing and how it should be done, I think it should be the student's choice and the nature of the course. Some students test best traditional, and then some test better by the authentic assessment methods. I myself, depending on the course, I may do better with a multiple choice or an essay test, just depending on the nature of the course. Horton also suggests that we make the test open book so there's no suspicion that mobile learners are cheating, and then also give learners enough time while testing. Eliminate the time constraints where it does relieve stress. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and here are my references. Have a great day now. Thank you.